Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So by the title of the video, you already know which palette I'm going to be playing with. It's this one by ColourPop, which they did a collab with Star Wars. This palette is called Darth Vader. So if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. Hi, so guess what I got in the mail yesterday? The ColourPop and Star Wars collab, and this one is the Darth Vader palette. I don't watch Star Wars at all. I'm not a fan of it, but what I liked about this palette is that it's cool tone, except for one shade is red, but the rest are cool tone eyeshadows, and I love cool tone eyeshadows. That's the reason why I wanted this palette. Not so much because of Star Wars, even though the cover is really pretty and the inside is the same. It's very detailed. I love the artwork. And in the back, the shade names. So it's a very beautiful palette, and it brings a mirror. In the mirror you can see Darth Vader, and it says, "I have you now." So as you can see, it has a lot of cool tone eyeshadows, except for the middle shade, which is a red. It's like a red shimmer type of thing, or red metallic. But the rest, I mean, look at this gray right here. It's cool tone. This one up here. I love them. I love grays like that. I'm going to show you some swatches now. So I think I'm gonna start with this shade right here. I'm gonna put that all over the crease, and I'm gonna be using the Lunar Beauty LBE2. It's like this. So tell me, are you a fan of Star Wars? I think I tried once a long time ago to try and sit down and watch one of them, but I couldn't. I couldn't. I mean, if you love it, great, awesome for you, but I just can't get into it. I want to be one of those people who are super fanatic, but I can't. I've tried. This is more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a little bit lighter. This is a shade that I could just throw on, put mascara on, and call it a day. But I'm not doing that today. Today I want to use as much as I can. With a smaller brush like this one, this is the Lunar Beauty LBE3. It's a little bit smaller than the first one. I am going to take this shade right here. I'm going to put that in the outer corner. Ooh, be careful with that color. A lot of kick up. I'm going to put that on the outer corner to deepen that out. Gorgeous color. Ooh, I don't think I have a color like that in any of my collection. By the way, today when I'm filming is International Women's Day, so happy International Women's Day. I'm gonna place that there, and then I'm gonna blend. They're very pigmented. At least these two shades that I've tried, very pigmented. With a bigger brush, I'm going to take the first brush, clean it down a little bit, and start blending this. Let me know in the comments down below if you like watching videos of eyeshadow reviews when they do two looks in one video, because I could totally do that if you want. I'm really liking this shade right here. Look at that color. I have to use this. So I'm going to put that in the inner corner right here. I'm going to try a dry brush first and see. I'm not going to spray it or anything. beautiful color. Let me try my finger. I'm gonna wet the brush on the other side to see if there's a difference. I skipped breakfast and now my stomach is growling and it's driving me crazy. It's pretty much the same, wet or dry, the brush. I'm gonna take a smudge brush and I'm gonna add this dark gray in the lower lash line. I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. I'm gonna take this shade just a little bit in the outer corner to connect it up here. Now I'm gonna take an angle brush and use that red in the center in the lower lash line. Let me see if I need to wet it, or I'm gonna use it dry first and see. I'm gonna clean that. I'm gonna take the black in the palette and put that really close up here, just halfway. Now I'm gonna take this shade, which is the lightest shimmer shade, and you put that up here in the brow bone. And in the inner corner. I'm gonna add some black eyeliner and maybe falsies, and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. What do you think? I like it. All the colors that I tried are so pigmented and easy to blend. You know how sometimes ColourPop eyeshadows can tend to be kind of patchy sometimes? Not all of them, but some of them in the palettes. And in this one I tried 6 shades and they all worked great, and they all blended super easily, and they have a lot of pigment. So this palette is really good. If you like cool tone eyeshadows, I highly recommend it. It's very beautiful. This shade, oh, I'm so in love with this shade. It's just so gorgeous. And this one, the one that I used in the inner corner, super pretty. It's very beautiful. I like it. I like this palette a lot. I'm glad I purchased it. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like videos like this, please give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. Just broke a nail. Damn it. The ColourPop and Star Wars. It's the ColourPop and Star Wars collab. The ColourPop. Why is it so hard for me to say? And this one, this palette is called the Ice Cream Truck. That Ice Cream Truck, he knows when I'm filming. It's the worst intro. Worst one. The ColourPop and Star Wars collection. Here's called, so I'm not even gonna pronounce it. This shade right here. With a bigger brush, I'm gonna take the first ColourPops. I want cheesy pops. Thinking about cheesy pops.